Hey guys, it's me again, Tom here, and I've got another tutorial for you. And this one is actually something I don't know most people have found out yet or clocked onto. But basically, Shopify's released a load of AI tools in the past month or so, and they keep doing so. So I'm going to show you how they have just released a two features where one you can create an app. It's like a mini app. You can't do like ultra mega stuff, but you can do pretty cool stuff, and I'll show you. And I'll give you a couple of ideas of what else I've done for other clients, and then I'm going to use that app that we create, and then I'm going to kind of link it to their almost their AI store editor, so you can also create sections or designs in your theme using AI. Basic ones again, but I don't think this is something that most clients don't or merchants don't know about. So it's good to talk about. So yeah, we're going to go to home screen here. Oh, let me just get that reconnected. And then if we go to their sidekicks, is basically their AI chatbot. Down here, we've got generate app. Please can you make, I don't know why I always say please to AI chatbots, but I do. Please can you make a app where we can make and control FAQs from customers and ones we input ourselves. Most likely would be best to store these in a meta object. So yeah, the idea here is just going to try and create a mini app where we can control and update and input FAQs. Then the idea is I'm going to then create like a mini section on the website where we can pull those FAQs uh, pull those FAQs from that app that we have just made. So kind of linking two AI tools together. So yeah, let's just see how this gets along. I've had mixed experiences with this. Um, Sometimes it's really quick, sometimes it's a bit slower. I'm assuming it's depending on server time. And then, yeah, a couple of other things I've done with this. I've done like an invoice generator, so that was pretty cool. Um, I did something where we could, I can't remember now, but it like search for certain products within their catalog. Okay, cool. Now, so it's kind of done its planning stage and now is building actually out the app. So we can kind of see what's going on here, even though we don't really need to see what's going on underneath the hood, but it's just good to know. So it will do all this, and then what it would do, it will ask us a few questions near the end, and then it would be like, do you want to deploy it? So I assume it deploys it on Shopify servers, and then the app is actually stored in your in the app area of Shopify. So yeah, and then we will use this theme tool that they've got now to build. So we go to sections and then generate. Here we can type in what we want them to generate a section for us. So we'll do that in a bit once this is completed. I'm just going to allow this. This is a preview of the app. So this is pretty cool. FAQ manager, add FAQ, question, answer, source, action. Um, we're just gonna, usually what you should do is kind of test it in here and then give feedback and then it might reiterate it. But to be honest, for the sake of keeping this video short, I'm just going to install it. And access redirect into app. So we can close that for the minute. Here's our FAQ manager. So testing, question, answer to test. source, internal. Let's just create. I don't really know what's done there, to be honest. Second test, second answer, and then we'll do customer as well. Okay, so that's the dashboard, and really what should happen, I'm assuming, is that they are all then stored in here. So it's stored it into a meta object, which is pretty cool. So it's created all that. And then theoretically as well, we go to settings, meta fields, and it's actually created the meta object here. So if we copy this, we can then go, can you create a FAQ section that pulls through all the meta objects from type? And we've got a question, answer. Go through the question and the answer. Don't really care about the source, to be honest, at the moment, but it's cool that it's done that. So yeah. I do apologise for all the spelling mistakes as well, guys. You've got to bear with me. So yeah, so now we're going to use this AI tool within Shopify to hopefully create a new section, and that within under 10 minutes, well under 10 minutes, we can create a Shopify app. I think they call them like Shopify mini apps, but and then we've also created a new section on our website. Let's have a look. So it's creating all the code there. It's got some JavaScript, HTML, Liquid, schema. It's got some content management options. It's building there as well. Looks like it's nearly done, to be fair, so give us a minute. Yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, this should work. So there we are. Those two meta objects we just made now display here, which is pretty cool. And now we can customize questions, put exclamation mark on that, center that. That's probably a JavaScript setting, I would assume. So need saving. Yeah. So we can change that. So look, we can change basically all the settings on this section. It's stored there. We can reuse this wherever we want on the site. So yeah, that's how you can basically, with no code experience and a Shopify account, you can create sections and apps within Shopify. Pretty cool, I think.